reaction inside the chloroplast. The reaction takes place that is known as Calvin cycle or C3 cycle. So in this cycle, atmospheric CO2 takes place by the plant with the help of stomata, and the water takes place from the root. In the stroma of chloroplast, this reaction takes place. So there is two carbon compound present over here. That two carbon compound combines with the CO2 and forms the three carbon compound that is known as 3-phosphoglycerate. So this process is known as carboxylation. So carboxylation is the first step of the C3 cycle. So in which two carbon compound combine with the CO2 and makes 3-phosphoglycerate. That two carbon compound is known as ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. So this compound combines with CO2 and makes three carbon compound that is known as 3-phosphoglycerate. This process is known as carboxylation. So after the carboxylation, next step is reduction. In the reduction, the utilization of ATP and NADPH takes place. Using the energy, triphosphate formation takes place, and this triphosphate lose one carbon for the formation of starch or the sucrose. So after losing one carbon here, this compound again makes it as two carbon compound. So the formation of three carbon compound, from three carbon compound to the two carbon compound is known as regeneration. In this regeneration, the formation of ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate again takes place. So again the utilization of one molecules of ATP takes place. So this is the C3 cycle, three steps over there: carboxylation, reduction and the regeneration. For the formation of one molecule of glucose, C3 cycles run 6 times, because at a single time one carbon compound lose here for the formation of glucose, for the formation of starch. So for the formation of glucose, this cycle runs 6 times. This is the C4 cycle. We call this C4 cycle because the first stable compound in this cycle is 4 carbon compound. This cycle takes place in some plants which are highly productive. For this cycle, there is a special anatomy present in the leaves of the plant that is known as Kranz anatomy. So in Kranz anatomy, the vascular bundle of the leaf, xylem of phloem, covered by a special cells which is known as bundle sheath cells, like a garland over the vascular bundles. So in this, the formation of glucose, the formation of food takes place by the help of two cells. First reaction takes place in the mesophyll cells, which are normally found in the normal cells also, and the another part of this cycle takes place inside the bundle sheath cells. They are found near the vascular bundle of the leaf. So first, the CO2 and the water takes place with the help of stomata. So this atmospheric CO2 comes in the mesophyll cell. So here the carboxylation takes place. A 3-carbon compound which is known as phosphoenol pyruvate combined with the CO2 and makes a C4-carbon compound that is known as C4 acid. This C4 acid transports from mesophyll cells to the bundle sheath cells. Here this C4 acid, 4-carbon acid, lose one carbon, one CO2, and again forms 3-carbon compound. This 3-carbon compound again go back to the mesophyll cells, and that is known as phosphoenol pyruvate, and again combine with the another CO2, and the rest of the process takes place same. Here this CO2 enter in the C3 cycle. C for plants, C4 cycle takes place, and also C3 cycle also takes place inside the bundle sheath cell. ठीक है? So यहाँ पर C3 साइकिल भी चल रही है और एज वेल एज C4 साइकिल भी चल रही है, तो दो साइकिल एक साथ चलती हैं. तो बेसिकली दिस प्रोसेस इनहेंस द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ द प्लांट. सो इसमें आपका जो CO2 है वो लूज नहीं होता है, वो वेस्ट नहीं जाता है. सारा का सारा CO2 यहाँ से लिया जा रहा है, बंडल शीट सेल तक भेजा जा रहा है, जिससे यहाँ पर प्रॉपर C3 साइकिल चल सके. यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन को बाइंडिंग से बचाया जाता है. ज़्यादा CO2 का यूटिलाइजेशन होता है इस साइकिल्स में. So the plants which are C4, they have the highest productivity ratio.